All right. Now we're going to get into the rapid fire. You ready?
No. Yes.
What is the most exciting, interesting thing about you that we wouldn't know from following you, reading about you, knowing you, reading your books, seeing you speak?
The most exciting thing that you may not know about me is that when I was 19 years old, Teen People magazine named me as one of the top 20 teens who will change the world.
What?
I don't put that anywhere because I'm not a
And
teenager anymore, but it was pretty cool.
okay, so hold on a minute. Amazingly cool, totally unique. We definitely would not know that about you. I'm just going to be a little playful here. Your mom and dad are like, yeah, that's great, but you're not a doctor.
That's right. That's right.
Oh, she's going to change the world, but she's not an oncologist.
Exactly. Where's the cardiologist, the MD
Yeah.
next to your name?
Where is that surgeon? I'm still looking for her. Alrighty, shifting gears here. Pizza, plain or with toppings?
Toppings.
Which ones?
Pepperoni.
Oh, okay. If given the choice, I'm a traditional, but I would just cheese only, but I will not turn away a very good pepperoni.
Mm.
What's your favorite Indian dish?
Chicken tikka masala, which is an
Chicken tikka
amazing
masala.
chicken curry dish.
Yeah, wonderful. It would be great to have tonight. What's the best part of motherhood?
Watching my kids show incredible curiosity, and by doing so, learning how to be curious again through them.
Right. They're the pathway, It's just incredible. What is one country you can't wait to visit?
Colombia.
The whole country, Santa Marta, Cartagena,
Right.
Barranquilla, the whole Cartagena, yeah, it's beautiful. And there's some nice islands off there, and you definitely really wonderful. Vacation, 5-star hotel, or camping?
5-star hotel, preferably with a keynote attached to it.
Yeah, I hear you. What's your spirit animal?
Lion.
Lion. I like that. In what ways do music and dance transcend differences that connect us in new ways?
Our bodies never lie. And so for
Yeah,
me, dance has been a thread that's allowed me to bridge connection, particularly Bollywood dance,
yeah,
which is something I did culturally as a kid and allowed me to break barriers with anyone, no matter the person, no matter how different we were. And it's something I've loved to do when appropriate, even in a keynote stage, to bridge energy and connection.
I was in LA at a really nice hotel, and it was an Indian wedding. And I'd mentioned to the doorman, I was like, man, there was this real, he goes, this is nothing. 2 months ago, we had an elephant here,
Yeah.
and they do the full Bollywood thing. At the end, I think much of the non-Indian world or those that aren't dialed into Bollywood got great exposure during the end of Slumdog Millionaire, right? The big finishes out on the train
Right.
platform. And
Right.
just a wonderful finish. And I know that about you, that's important.
Yeah.
What's the last show you streamed?
Ted Lasso.
Oh, we've talked about him on this podcast too. His innocence and this seeming kind of shallowness, but this real depth,
That's right. It's
It's
all about the underdog.
yeah. And there is this authenticity to him, and it's just, man, we talked about it like he's hiding something, his divorce, and he's always trying to coach everybody else, but he's got his secret, and we can relate to him. It's just I wish there were more of it, but I think it makes sense that, that's where it ended. What's the last good book you read?
So many. I'm always reading books. The last one that I read, what's one that I'm reading like 4 or 5 right now, but the last
Yeah.
one that I finished was there are a bunch of books on my I should look. I'm right now reading Co-Intelligence, which is the new AI book, but I just started that. What was the last book I finished? I have to look. I don't even
Okay.
remember. Let me look at
Take
my
a look.
Kindle. There's
Take a
like
look.
3 or 4.
Yeah, I've got
Oh,
multiple.
right here. 10x is easier than 2x.
Ah, look at that. Yeah, doesn't surprise me that that's on your list. All right, last one here. Social media, friend or foe?
Friend.
Cool. Well, friend, we'll leave it at that. Again, just thank you for playing along. I'm just looking forward to this being published and getting out there, and just so, so cool of you to fit this in before you're headed out to the airport.